Good morning. This is the Great Basin Fire Potential Briefing for Friday, July 31st. Hot, dry weather the next few days. Northern areas will see a cold front bring dry, gusty winds to the region. Fire danger steadily rising. Most fuels are into or above the 90th percentile. Any of those in the south that aren't will be rising very quickly. On the impact map, see the continuous smoke up north. We continue with temperatures about 3 to 6 degrees above midsummer peak levels. Isolated thunderstorms, very isolated across our eastern and northern areas. They'll be moving out. Strong cold fronts Saturday and Sunday, shown by this dashed line. Behind the front, temperatures may be a little bit cooler, but strong winds, low humidity, especially areas in the brown. Breezy conditions in the orange could create a combined burn environment issue. They'll have to monitor over a larger area, but again, the most critical winds will be in the north. Satellite imagery continues to show clear skies across much of the region, minus the smoke that's around, and just some mid-level moisture across eastern areas of Utah could fuel an isolated thunderstorm. Had quite a bit of lightning shown on the right across some northern and eastern areas. They did come with some precipitation as shown on the left. 7-day precipitation total shows we did have some decent wetness across the higher terrain of Utah and into parts of eastern Idaho and Wyoming. Drier the further west you go. Our current activity, new fire starts in the red, recent fires in the yellow. We have fires going on in all quadrants, basically, of the Great Basin. No real relief anywhere. Looking at the ERC point map, again, most areas are in or above the 90th percentile, and areas that used to be in the green and yellow down south are rapidly rising into the 80th percentiles, and they'll continue doing that over the next couple of days. Upper level map on the top shows the high pressure over Arizona is going to be building northwards and then shifting westwards. That'll block the monsoon. It'll keep temperatures warm. This deep low pressure area coming out of British Columbia will enhance the pressure gradient. You see those tight packing of the winds of the height lines. That'll bring gusty upper level winds. You can kind of see them here. Also a very dry air mass. So that is a big concern. And for the 7-day down below, it's really on Saturday and Sunday we have those wind concerns, and where winds are marginal but temperatures are high, humidity low, we have a burn environment high risk for some of those areas, and you see those in the south on Sunday. Looking at the winds, just some localized breezes in western areas today, but you see how dry the humidities are, and you see those oranges popping up with the wind gusts over 30, maybe 35 miles an hour in northern areas, and also stretching down into parts of southern Utah and Arizona and Nevada during that time period. Humidity levels very low. Isolated showers, maybe a lightning strike or two in parts of eastern Idaho, western Wyoming, or the Uintas today. Otherwise, we pretty much dry out over the next 3 days. You can see how high those temperatures are today, and even maybe 1 or 2 degrees hotter tomorrow. So very hot period for just about all locations. Further down the road, days 4 through 6, that low pressure area is going to track across the northern Rockies. Kind of a double barrel high pressure over the south, keeping us hot, keeping us dry. This cold front could drop down a little bit further south as we go towards the midweek period, but overall our fire potential means pretty moderate across the region. No high risk yet for any winds, but just very dry and could get a fire just about anywhere. Still some residual strong winds over western Wyoming on Monday. You can see the humidity is low and the winds start diminishing as we go through the midweek period, but remaining very dry. Not much in the way of precipitation after the weekend as things dry out. And summing things up, our most critical time periods will be this weekend and maybe even lingering into Monday. But again, all PSAs are critically dry as we go into the middle of next week. Long-range outlook, above normal temperatures. There is a slight indication of maybe a monsoonal push in our southern areas. We'll believe it more as we get closer to it. This concludes our briefing. Have a great day.